Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 11 of programming in HTML5, HTML attributes. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on Finder, go to Document, HTML5 folder, double click, index.html, right click, open with text edit, close out to Finder, go to the text edit file, increase the size of this, and then Command plus to increase the font size. And now we are ready to start coding. Before we do that, take the previous tutorial's code, right click, cut, open up the Word document that we have saved for these tutorials, and now paste the code towards the bottom to save for later use. Command S to save, quit Word, and now for this tutorial, you must know that HTML elements can have attributes, and these attributes provide additional information about an element. And these attributes are always specified in the name tag. These attributes usually come in name value pairs, such as name equals the value. And so to start the tutorial, we are looking at the href attribute. HTML links are defined with the A tag. The link address is specified in the href attribute. So less than a href equals speech marks https:// twice and then www.google.co.uk and the link there. This is Google/a. So that's the tag ended. We can save this, go all the way to Finder, Document, HTML5, double click, right click index.html in the Safari, close out to Finder, put the text edit file and the web browser side to side. Go to Safari, click on the link. It will now send us to google.co.uk. Go back one. The next attribute is the Src attribute. HTML images are defined with the image tag less than image src equals speech marks and then image.jpg, end the tag, go to Finder, Documents, HTML5, we have the image.jpg in the folder, so we can save this. Go to the web browser, Command R to refresh. So the page is not refreshing. Go all the way to the dock, Finder, Documents, HTML5, index.html, right click, open with Safari. And now we have the link and the image. We will be changing the height and the width in this tutorial, and we are about to do that now. So minimize the web browser, go to the Word document and take the width and height from the previous codes of the previous tutorial. Command S to save, and now we can right click, refresh, or Command R to refresh. There is the link and there is the photo. HTML images also have a width and height which specifies the width and height of an image. And what you also need to know is the width and the height are specified in pixels by default. And now we can move on to the alt attribute, which specifies an alternative text to be used if an image cannot be displayed. The value of an alt attribute can be read by screen readers. This way, someone listening to a web page, someone who is visually impaired, can hear the element. Within the text file, we can go back into the code and now type alt equals speech marks HTML5 image. Command S to save, go back to the web browser, Command R to refresh the page. And now we can move on to the style attribute. Go back to the code. Less than P style equals speech marks color red. This is a paragraph. Less than slash P, close that off, Command S to save. Go back to the web browser, Command R to refresh. We have the link, the image, and this is a paragraph in red text. And so in this tutorial, we learned about HTML attributes. All HTML elements have an attribute. The title attribute provides an additional tooltip information. The HR attribute provides address information to links. The width and the height attribute provides size information for the images. The alternative ALT attribute provides text for screen readers. Close out of Safari, close out of TextEdit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.